We all, as investors, have financial goals or even future milestones that we look to achieve. For that, we need sufficient enough wealth. So, have you ever thought about this? How to create wealth? Is there a shortcut to create wealth? We have our investment expert, Mr. Gurraj, with us, who will give us a brief insights on how to create wealth effectively with minimum level of risk involved. Gurraj, the stage is all yours.
In fact, as I mentioned earlier, 100 rupees a day. Imagine if you're able to save even 100 rupees a day, 3,000 per month. If you invest it for 10 years, you are creating a corpus of almost 7 lakhs at 12%. This is what we call it as power of compounding. If you want to create wealth, only two things are required: give time for your investments and invest in a regular manner, the discipline of savings. If you really want to become rich in quick time, but then you are gambling and you are not investing. Many people have this habit. I want to become a crorepati in the next 5 years. Then becoming a crorepati in next 5 years is possible provided you invest that much year on year, right? Because for a 5 year horizon, I can't expect more than 6 to 7% kind of return, right? Because I shouldn't take risk for a 5 year period. If that is the case, I should have so much money to invest so that I can become a crorepati. Otherwise, if you feel that because I invest in stocks directly, I invest in Bitcoin, I will make a lot of money. People would have, your friend circle would have come and told you. Now I'm sure nobody will talk about Bitcoins. But couple of years before, people are saying I became quite rich. In no time, I could make lakhs of rupees. So all that is sometimes very tempting for people to look at that, right? So never look at that because see, investment, the process is simple. You want to create wealth, the process is again simple. It is only giving time, allowing the compounding factor to work for you, and you should be having a disciplined saving. Other than that, there is no shortcut for creating wealth. This is something which you have to remember and always keep telling yourself, boss, there is no shortcut for wealth creation. It is only the discipline of savings and investment and of course giving time for your investments.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.